Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to cover an important topic, that is, suppose if you are making some changes in your website, okay? So many times when you are doing it on WordPress, so it's like your website can get crashed, and if it is active, suppose if your website is active and you are also making some changes, maybe you are making like changing the theme, you are say making some edits in the template, or you are making some big changes in your website, but your website is active. So if I as a viewer, if I'm seeing it, so many times it will, so like it will also activate some dummy mail id, dummy number, and all these things, so I can see all these changes. So in order to prevent that your visitor like can't see whatever changes you are making, and until the time it is coming up to be the best version of your website. So you obviously you don't want, if you are making some mistakes in your website backend, so you don't want people or say visitors to like have a look on these kind of problems or these kind of like mistakes that you are making while maintaining your website. So it's good if you turn on your websites maintenance mode. In order to do this, see, firstly you need to go to dashboard. Okay, you can just see it here. Then you can go to plugins, you can see it here, click on add plugin. From there, just write here WP maintenance. Okay, I have already installed it. You can see this right here. Okay, WP maintenance mode. You need to turn activate this. Right now it's already activated for my website. You can see this. It will come like this would be green. Okay, so okay, let me just show you something quickly. If I talk about my website, okay, right now it will show like this. But if I go to incognito window, so you can just see it right here. And if I write scale of marketing solutions, okay, then you can see this. Because my website is in maintenance mode, you can see this. Even this you can decide by yourself. So if you are seeing it in like mobile, so you can only see this part, this part. Okay, so this contact us form won't be visible in a mobile version, but when you are checking my website or any website that is in maintenance mode in your laptop, so you can see this complete page. Okay, so I have created this form also. You can see this. You can just type messages or then send it to the admin, so administrator of the website, so we can just get to know the issue, or say if you're looking for any services something. So you can also do the same while you are working on your website. So the thing is, when it comes to WordPress, and if you are say activating a theme, so this theme can be incompatible with many other plugins. And for me also the same thing has just happened. And it's like, if I click on home, so my home page is correct. If I click on logo, so my logo is correct. Now again, about page is also correct. Okay, now if I click on, okay, blog page, this is also fine. This is also fine. Okay, now if I click on any services out of this list, so this will redirect me to about page. So this is under maintenance, so I'm just doing, I am fixing it. I am fixing everything. So once done, I'll just share every steps that you need to follow in order to fix these issues. So right now I just wanted to record this maintenance mode plugin. So it's good if you also turn it on whenever you are working. And once done, suppose if your website work, all changes, everything has been done, what you can do, just click there once you'll click there. Okay, I'm just showing it to you. Okay, just click it there and go there. You can just turn it off. Here you can turn it off, and downside you can just see save or apply changes. Okay, so okay, when if I talk about the incognito window that I showed you my website, the form and everything, so from where it all came from, or from where you can also put it. Okay, so let me just tell you. You can see this form here, you can see this here. Okay, I'm just telling you how to do this. Okay, let's just go back to here. You can see this here. Okay, first thing, you can see timer with contact form. You can see option timer without contact form, where there would be no contact form that you could see in my website's left hand side. There was a contact form. Okay, then colored mode, like it's up to if you want to keep it background image. So you can just see, you can see this. See, this is for timer style. If this is timer style, so it's like colored background. If you want to put any background image, then they will be asking for an image or texture. So here you can see I can add image, I can remove it, though this they just took the color theme from this image, nothing else. Okay, so if you want to put any image or like for many people they used to keep this, just 1 second, maintenance mode. You can see engineer is standing with the settings, like you can see this here. Okay, this you must have seen. We are just tuning up a few things. You can see this, or then there is this also, this kind of image you can just, maybe you can create it from say chat gpt, or you can also create it on canva. Okay, so you can see this also, it's under maintenance, so you can use these kind of images also. Then you can see this also. Okay, and it's good if you personalized it a bit, like based on your color, your theme color, your website theme color, your company's logo and everything. You can see this too, this is also looking good. Okay, it's like these are, they all are working to fix this WordPress website. So, and also yeah, I have seen many like this kind of, so you can see this also. So if you want you can just keep it, or else it's like it's up to you. Okay, so yeah, where is it? um Okay, so this, okay, now you can see this access control, I've just exited for. Here you can just count down title, we will be back soon. If you want to keep it something else, maybe more witty or more funny, you can just get some examples from chat gpt, so you can get better examples. And this is also, and you can also put one, if suppose if somebody is writing say a message that I already shared like the screen, so there was a form. Okay, so if anybody is typing something, so all the form detail I will be receiving everything here. Okay, here you can see, so it's up to you here. Okay, here it's like, for me also there was a button get in touch with us, then we clicked on company's linkedin url. You can see this right here. You can also click on founders detail, get in touch with the founder. You can also say detail like all these things, so it's up to you whatever things you want to just do, and then just apply changes. Okay, so yeah, this is a great way to say hide whatever things you are doing for a website from the audience, because many times if you are doing something, obviously there would be many times when your page will get collapsed with plugin theme and plugin. There are a lot of issues in WordPress between theme and plugin. Okay, so and for this also again you need to deactivate some plugin, you need to write some codes, and there are a lot of stuff that you need to do, okay, in order to fix it, and it is going to take maybe 2 to 3 days. See, I am doing all these changes since last Friday, and it's been 4 to 5 days since I am just activating my website for a few hours, when I think that visitors will be peak, like at peak number. So only during that those hours I'm just I am able to do it, or else I need to. And also let me tell you just, so it's not like I'm just like say I am activating complete website. Just say I'm just activating main homepage. This part, part of it, you can see this here, this part I'm just activating it, or other parts I have just set it to private. So yeah, just want to talk about this. I hope this video is going to help many of you, so whoever is facing these kind of issues. And obviously while working with WordPress I have faced a lot of issues, and also I've fixed it. I'll cover all those videos on WordPress also, will share it with you. If you face any particular issue on WordPress, do comment below, let me know, so that I can record, like I can just do screen recording for it too. And yeah, this is Stay tuned. Bye and take care.